What it do, y'all? What it do? It's another day, another dollar. Get up, go get some money, do whatever you gotta do to make a living. But today, I need to go do an oil change on the bike. Now that it's officially back on the ground, I got all the fairings on. So I gotta go get all the oil, filter. Then I need to, good thing I only need to take one side of the fairings off, so I'm gonna only take the left side. I'm gonna only take the right side off. Then put it back together, man, and get the ride, and and we back on the ground. Now I gotta get some brake fluid too. When I took the brake reservoir off, most of the oil leaked out. So, yep, that's what I'm finna get into today. I ain't really got too much else planned for today. I do got a tattoo, but I don't post my tattoo content on here, so I ain't even posted on my tattoo channel either. So I need to get back to that. Yeah, man. So I'm basically getting back in my groove, my little YouTube groove or whatever, getting back into the videos. So this year, hopefully this summer, will be a lot more to do, trips, whatever. Because last year, apparently, that didn't work out. Going for a couple months, but yeah, man. We back. I'm back. The videos is back. The bikes is back. The cars is back. And some more trips is finna be back on the vlog. So make sure y'all hit that like, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. And go tell whoever you know, come join the channel. And also need y'all to follow the merch channel. Follow the merch channel. Know what's going on, but follow the merch channel for me. It's Villagiano Clothing Co. on Instagram. And see y'all in a minute. Alright, y'all, we outside. I'm on my way to this tire shop. Because y'all don't know, one of my tires on my Chrysler went flat. My Chrysler was on 22s, and the spare is only an 18. So my car is leaning in the back. I've been driving on the flight 2 days, but I'm gonna just say forget it and go get a tire because just be messing the car more driving it leaning like this. So just get this knocked out. I didn't feel like spending $200 on a tire, but you gotta do what you gotta do sometimes to get the job done, so you can be back riding right on the road for the safety. So yeah, see y'all in a second. Get this tire changed. Hopefully I can talk them down a little bit. Alright, so they ain't had no tire up here for me, so I'm gonna go to the motorcycle place where I was going in the first place to get this pipe taken off, because I don't want to strip the bolts. I'd rather have them just take it off and I can just put it back on my bike. So we finna just go to this motorcycle shop since they didn't have the tire I needed. And going to see if we can make this thing work. See y'all in a minute. Well, I made it up here to the motorcycle place and grab my muffler. I just need them to take this off. So I'm gonna see my good place, Omega Cycles. Alright, so they moved spots. Somebody had broke in and stole a couple bikes or whatever, so they moved down the street, like 5 minutes down the street. So I'm gonna go over there, check out their new spot. Alright, made it up here to the new spot. It looked better. Let's check it out. So there you have it. The oil. I'm grabbing oils and stuff, but I got it. Okay, so they did loosen my bolts for me on there, and the price of oil and the filter went up. I think it was $63 just for oil and a filter. Like, what? That's crazy. Sheesh. But alright, let me go see if I can find a tire for my car because it's super leaning. I'm gonna stop at Starbucks too, because I want a double chocolate chip frap. And let's go finish putting this bike back together. See y'all in a minute. At this tire shop, as y'all see, my drone is leaning. Like leaning. It's horrible. And this tire got a float leak. So hopefully they got a tire. If not, I gotta wait till Saturday. So, let's see, man. I'm trying to get back right though. Alright, so they're finna get this shown off. And I'm just finna buy a brand new tire since nobody got no used 22s. Spending $125 on one brand new tire. Oh well. Adult life, man. It's adulting. You gotta pay them adult prices. But that's cheaper than this other tire shop. I've been messing with this tire shop for years. I just went to the other one to see. But the other one was trying to charge like $180 or something. I'm like, nah, I'm most definitely cool. For that price, I could have just found some stock price ones for like $250 or so. But for now, I'm gonna just leave these on, drive it how it is. So I don't mind paying $125 for this one tire. And yeah, I'm gonna go home, get ready to do these tattoos and make this money back. But that oil was $65, now I'm spending $125, so it's almost spending $200 already. That's why I don't come outside now. But yeah, we're getting this fixed. I can't be riding around like that. Gotta have my cars right. See y'all when I get back to the crib. That's right. Got this old Joan in here. I got a battery back bracket because it move around. If this wasn't in here, it'd be moving around. I got to throw my cover back in. But yeah, I made it back to the crib. The bike. It's time to do the oil change and put the muffler on. So just get the stuff out the car. The car is no longer on a donut. We're back in action. All 422. Got our oil, our filter, and our pipe. Let's see if I can put this on before these tattoo people get here. So bam, got that one off. But I forgot I actually have to loosen these ones too. So let me see if I can take these off right quick. Set y'all up right there. Oh, these are way bigger than those ones. Sheesh. 1 second. All right, now we got the right one. But it broke in there. Sheesh, I forgot about that. Let me try to find another one. Right, now we got the other one. This one good. Just like that. Grab this one. This one, that's all. It's all blacked out. Just take this one out. We're gonna use this one. That was already on there. Oh, let me show y'all how it sounds before and after. Matter of fact, hold on. Alright, so we started. Put the key in the right way. Exhaust is on. Besides this little back bracket to hold this piece up. Let me find a thing though so I could just bolt it on anyway. Alright, we all bolted up. Let's see how it sounds now. Way quiet. Okay. That works. Now that that's on, now it's time. I'm gonna take this side off. Then we're gonna do this oil change. So yep, I change that filter right there. Bam, in between the pipes. And then the oil drain plug would be under there. So let me take it all apart. Alright, so bam, we got this side off. Now this is the filter. Oh, and the drain plug is right here. So let's drain this old oil out. Get some new oil in here. This old filter out and get some new. Put the new filter in there. Alright, make sure y'all got an oil pan too. It can get messy. Get you a 12mm socket. Alright, I can't find my 12 socket, so got my 12 wrench. Alright, I'm done tightening. Now we're back on this bike. I think this is 11 to the 12 and fitting, unless it's just like super strict. Because it should be a 12. That took a little longer than expected because the bolt is all jacked up. Whoever did it the last time on this engine stripped it stripped it. So finally got it though. I'm gonna just let it drop in the pan. So I'm gonna throw this one in there instead of the one that's already in there. So I ain't got no troubles changing it again. Right here, like so. Just unscrew this bolt. I'll see it. Just like that. Let the oil drain. Pretty sure it wasn't a lot in there though. Anyway, it's super dirty. Like black dirty. Show y'all how dirty that is. Ew. Just let it drip all the way out. Get all that stuff out. We're gonna get some new fluids in there, though. It's almost there. Then we're gonna do this filter and put it in there too. So let this finish draining first. Alright, I have to go somewhere, but I'm back. It's done dripping. Let's put this bolt back in. And then I'm gonna slap this bolt in. And then we're gonna take off the filter. This filter is untwisted. Should be hand tight. I've got a oil filter joint. You ain't able to get a filter off with your hands. That's what you need right here. It's gonna get the job done. was trying not to get a lot of oil in the pipe so it don't burn off, but stuff happens. Bam. Old filter. New filter. New old. You gotta grab the oil right quick. You wanna lubricate this a little bit so when you take it off it won't be as hard. It already looked lubed though. Came pre-lube. I'm gonna still pour a little bit in here though, just in case. So, you just screw it back on. Just like that. Oil in the engine. So, make sure you got it funneled. You got a nice funnel. Gonna clean it out right quick. Start them up. See where we at. Gotta get in there. Supposed to go right here. Back on this side. So far it's coming out good. Good. Thanks for reminding me. Alright, y'all. So it's all put together. It's all done, be oil change and everything. I even wiped it down a little bit so it looked clean a little bit. But yep. Way quieter. I talked about earlier. But yeah. That's all, folks. It's done. Now I just gotta sell this one. Or the parts anyway off of it. The whole little frame. I'm keeping this because I got the other ones right here. This white and gold one. And then that is over over there. It's the bad one. Then, as y'all know, I went and got another rim for the Chrysler. Bam. But I made that money back doing tattoos, so it's cool. It's like I didn't spend nothing. So, hey, it was a pretty decent day. But we're going to call this one a day. Call this one a video. It might not even be that long, but it might, because I might not do no editing. Nah, I'm going to do some editing for sure. But I'm going to make it a good amount of minutes. So hopefully y'all watch it, enjoy it. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Tell a friend, cousin, any family member, something like that, you know. See y'all next one.